Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Yeah, blessed Sunday to each and every one. Dancehall skilla day again. Manners and respect. Yeah, so in this video, I'm presenting to you some videos that have been posted on social media. Yeah, so I'm starting this video a certain type of way. Alright, so my people, I think this is a sad topic. So, based on some words that have been said in the first video that I'm about to present to you, I got the understanding that a person who you can see in the video had been accused of being a thief, or the person had been accused of stealing. You might be surprised to hear some words that the person said in the video when someone said some words to that person. My people, I think it would be best if you look and listen to this video for yourself. Listen carefully and observe, my people. Observe.
Like, look at the man thief now. Watch the man thief. Eh? Watch your phone. Why you take that?
To eat, boy.
Yeah, but you could ask somebody for something to eat.
But if I don't beg people,
yeah, but it's right through. You're coming here to take, brother.
It's not right through, right?
Right through, brother.
Right through.
You're lying, you're lying.
It's come right through and pay for my things. But today, or a few times, I don't lie. I take up things. Take like peanut butter or cheese to put in my bread to eat. I just being real, being honest. I stole peanut butter and cheese to eat.
Man. Oh my people. You know, I feel a way about the topic there because you what now. I don't want anyone to get me wrong, you know. You see me? Stealing is wrong. It is wrong to steal. John, you said that way, my people. You see me? When me hear the person say this part of the video right there, so me hear the person say this right there, so. This.
Somebody for something to eat.
But if I don't beg people,
yeah, but it's right through. You come.
That part there. You understand that part there hit me, and then when me basically hear the person say some more words, you know, certain but people, let me know anything about that situation. You know, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a damaged motor vehicle on a road. And the video is going to also show a motor vehicle that went off the road. I do not have any confirmed information to determine how the damaged motor vehicle that you can see on the road in the video had been damaged and how the other motor vehicle went off the road. I don't have any confirmed information as to where the video is recorded. But I look and listen to the video carefully, and I wonder if some words that have been said in the video are accurate or even true pertaining to the situation. You know, this is another video that is being talked about on social media. So, my people, why look and listen to this video and tell me what I think about the situation here? Because it really actually look away. Yes, me hear the word drunk mentioned in the video. Me hear some words said in the video. I'm going to make it very clear that I am not able to confirm if any words that have been said in the video are accurate pertaining to those motor vehicles or the situation that I can see in the video. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Hey, may I tell you, it's right there, so. It's not a blood cleat normal sign. Watch ya. Watch ya.
Stop drink and drive.
Junkin man them, I know. Watch ya. Junk them man, they junkin, you know. Watch ya.
It's not safe out there.
Watch ya.
The man want left his senior.
Watch ya, watch ya, watch ya, watch ya, watch ya.
Want left his senior.
Left them one, left his senior, then junk, you know. Junkin man them, I know. Junk. Junk them man, they are junk, brother. I could have me a driver come round and my vehicle this man and I mash me up, watch it.
Drive him, say,
and I left them say, yeah. I know them want left his scene. Junkin man, them, brother. And the two of them in the junk, watch them. Watch them.
Stop them and stuck the cam.
Alright, so just to make it very clear, you can hear persons in the video using Jamaican accent when they're talking, but I don't have any confirmed information to determine exactly where the video had been recorded, viewers and subscribers. Now how certain things might have happened. It's set away though. Be careful out there upon the road. To each and every motorist, please drive safely for yourself and for others. And to each and every one, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, my people, I want you to look and listen to the next video that I'm about to present to you carefully and tell me what you think about this situation. See, so this video had been recorded where there was a gathering. Some people might call it a party, some people might call it an event. And the video shows a person who was using a microphone. In my point of view, the person said some words on the microphone. Now, the video shows when a person who was dressed in a type of uniform behaved or reacted a certain way after a person said some words on the microphone. My people, look and listen to this video for yourself, my people. Tell me what you think about the situation. And listen carefully to what the person says. It's not really a long video. Listen carefully. Listen this. And look. Now, me, I wonder if me hear clearly what the person said. So listen this again. Listen. One more time. Sometimes you have to be careful when you set a microphone still. You see? Sometimes you have to be careful when you set a microphone. You understand? You see? Yeah, man. Careful of some of the words that you set a microphone, man. That's what I say to people. So, tell me what you think you hear. Because I think I know what I think I hear. But, me no want to say when, no, sir. What? If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happen when a person had been tased by police. Viewers and subscribers, I do not have any confirmed information to determine where the video had been recorded. I do got the understanding that the video had been posted on social media for some time now. But I got the understanding that law enforcers or police officers went at a location and law enforcers or police officers was basically saying some words to a person who was holding a dog. But in my point of view, the person was not complying with police. Based on words said in the video, I got the understanding that police basically told the person to put down the dog in a simple way of saying it. However, the person did not comply. And the situation reached to a point where a police officer used a taser weapon on the person. Or the situation reached to a point where police tased the person, viewers and subscribers. And then the person had been held by police. Now, my people, based on certain things that I saw happen in the video, I wondered about the person's mental health. And I think I see some type of a stubborn behavior when it comes on to the situation and so forth. Doesn't matter. But in my point of view, I wonder about the person's mental health. The way how the person was holding the dog and certain things just have me thinking. But you can tell me a thing about the situation. Look away. Anyways, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Get this! Put on the look! I know what it is. Put on the look. Put on the dog. Put on the dog. Put on the dog. Last one, and put down the dog. No. Put on the dog, you will get this. Put on the dog. Put on the dog. Put on the dog. Put on the dog, you know what it is, put on the dog! Go, bang! Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. You know what? Turn over!
Yeah, so, you know, I wonder about that person's mental health based on how me see the person behave and was holding the dog and certain things. It just look away right there, so, see? You know, and, you know, I also wonder what really and truly caused police to go at that location in the first place, because I didn't get certain confirmed information as to why police went to the location in the first place. But the video's been talked about on social media, so just let you know about it. And I think yes is where I'm gonna leave it. So, big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.